My name is Åste Holtan and I'm the founder of Studio Holtan. I think that my company stands for and works for site-specific architecture. I've always wanted to become an architect, and this is probably the most epic answer ever. You know, it's something about the creative side of it, and since I was little I started drawing plan drawings and facades and sections and such, and proposed changes to my parents. But now I see that of course there's a lot of hard work and there's a lot of technical issues, a lot of problems, a lot of, you know, it's a process. Word of mouth is a good way to get new projects, but it depends on what you're after. Because if there's a lot of competition in one field of architecture, then maybe you should rethink your business and think about how you can be unique and do something else, because then you'll have a different platform. I think you can change your field. You know, you have to go out after it, because if you just lean back and you get new projects by word of mouth, you tend to get the same type of projects that you already had. You know, we work in a different way that they did back in the 1980s. Before they had computers, they drew everything by hand. Now we have computers, so we can let the computer do a lot of the drawing, etc. I heard an interview with some known architects, Norman Foster, for example. He and Zaha Hadid, they talked about how architect students today, they cannot sketch. They used to be able to sketch everything and draw very precise drawings, and architect students today, they don't have that skill anymore. And that's because we are learning new skills, you know, computer skills, and we're drawing in a different way, for example. So it pulls in both directions. We gain something and we lose something.